Let's see if that's the right angle or not. We're gonna check it out. What a day today. We had a great day today because why? I learned how to do something that I never thought, one, that I would be able to learn, and two, I got to have an experience that I never thought I would actually experience. So what happened today was Joe from Merlin Industries came to visit me and Josh out on a job site and teach us how to use a drone to measure for safety covers. And obviously we've talked about this with Caden. Now we're still going to be doing the Caden thing, but this is what Caden is doing and what Merlin are doing are two different things. One is a photo image and one is a video 3D aerial image. And so we're kind of basically learning the two different ways. And so it's been exciting. And you know, I can't say that the company that I work for will be using Caden all the time, but the objective is to teach the masses, teach the people out there like yourselves watching this video, the different options and the different companies. Both are great companies, both have great people, and I like working with both companies. I like working with Caden and I like working with Merlin. So that being said, we got the drone. Obviously, you can see this is the drone. It's the DJI Mini 3, I believe, and we had a close call today using Merlin's. I was flying it, and I literally touched the water of the pool before it came up. And so this is Merlin Industries here, and obviously it comes with a whole kit with these. You know, these are the markers. And what we're gonna do after is I'm gonna set these up on the ground outside, and I'm gonna fly the drone around right here and see if how my drone flying skills are. You know, the objective is to get better at it and improve, and hopefully over time, you know, save time and money. So this was pretty cool. So it was a big step in my life because, you know, as time goes on, you gotta get with the times, right? So Joe was a fantastic guy. He shows up with two of these shopping bags, kind of like you see at Walmart and things like that. The one was a hoodie that I actually already got dirty because I was wearing it on a job site, but it says "Make Mine a Merlin," and you know, it has a nice little character of something on there. I'm looking at it upside down, so it's hard to see. And you know, we got the hat, the Merlin hat. So that was a nice little gift. I got a couple of those. I got to pass a couple things out to a couple co-workers and things like that. You know, obviously, you know, I kept some things for myself as always, but you know, a nice long sleeve shirt with a nice back hit on it. Make Mine a Merlin. Oh, and it looks like a dude. It looks like Santa Claus, to be honest with you. And he's got a knife and a cup. So I don't know why he's got a knife while he's while he's in a swimming pool. But that's kind of cool. Merlin Industries. So all this technology can be found at Merlin Industries. And you know, we had a couple more items. You know, we had a T-shirt. This is a nice little T-shirt. Make Mine a Merlin with a duck swimming on a pool. I hope to get Steve Got a Pool merch going soon. You know, we're struggling in that area, obviously. You know, just because we don't really know what we're doing with a lot of stuff. But hey, you know, trying to think, I don't really have anything else to say in this particular video, except thanks for chiming in. Steve Got a Pool. Again, like I said, I'm super excited about all this. I'm super excited about learning the different technology and putting the stuff that I'm learning to use. So I'm taking it serious, and we're gonna see how good I am at flying the drone. We're gonna hook it up. Like I said, I'm gonna fly around the van. I'll probably make a little short videos. Maybe I can tie some of the footage into this video if I'm lucky, who knows. But take care. I'm Steve Got a Pool, and thanks again to Joe from Merlin. Thanks again to all the other people at Merlin. Joe says a lot of the people that work at Merlin actually watch, so shout out to everybody at Merlin Industries. I appreciate you sending Joe down to spend some time with me at Giuliano's Pools. Have a good day. Is that good? Okay.